Oh my god, I am literally so sweaty. The sweat is dripping all over my face. I also didn't put a ton of setting spray on, so it's just coming off. What is up, you guys? It's Chris here. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today I thought I would take you through my nighttime makeup removing, skincare, getting ready for bed routine. That's why you're in my bathroom. Welcome. The lighting is not super good. Well, it's not terrible in here. I actually kind of look pretty. But yeah, that's why we're in my bathroom. So I'm gonna take you through kind of the steps I go through when I take off all my makeup for the day. We're going full Vogue Beauty Secrets tutorial. And I'm gonna show you my 467 step skincare routine. No, just kidding. It's not 467, it's only 466. I just got done filming content, so I look crusted, busted, and Parmesan dusted. Let's just jump right in with the first thing that we're gonna do, and that's take those bad boys off. Good Lord, Jesus have mercy on my soul. I'm naked. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this One Size by Patrick Starrr Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. You can get this at Sephora. It's actually pretty inexpensive, but I literally just coat my face in it and then I give it like a minute to just like exist. And then it'll just start to like melt right off. So here we go. It's crazy. It feels like it's like air going on your face, but it's got like really good shit in it. So here we go. Watch me melt. I'd be so happy I could melt. That's what's in my head every time I do this. And so it will be for the rest of my life. I really want to I want to cover that song. So let me know if you'd want to hear a cover of The Wizard and I by me. I'll paint myself green and everything, don't worry. Also, I just realized it's been a really long time since I've like actually done a video like this on my channel. All of it's been music and stuff, but here we are. Okay, so after I've let this kind of just run off my face, as you can see, it's a mixture of sweat and this mist. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. I tend to use Neutrogena because that's the one that's always cheapest. And I don't like to, before I've discovered the mist, I was like just doing this first and I was like rubbing my skin so hard to take it off. And I was like, this can't be good for me. Holy f. I was like, this can't be good for my skin, just like really rubbing the shit out of it. And so then I discovered this mist and I was like, maybe that will help take it off a little easier. And lo and behold, she does. I don't like rub with this. I just kind of let it come off with just a stroke of my hand and it works pretty well. And then what I'll do is I'll take the side that already has makeup on it and I'll just do my lip color because I don't want to waste real estate space on this wet wipe because I'm very conservative only when it comes to product. Don't get it twisted. But when it comes to like makeup wipes and stuff, I try to make them last as long as I can because I don't like spending money. Okay, cool, lips are off, so we're just gonna get the rest of this off. Also, if you're like, oh my god, Chris, your skin's so red, I know. But trust and believe, it's this red all the time. It just is crazy when you see the contrast between when I have a full face of blurring airbrushed makeup on and then when I take it off and you see what's underneath. It's always red. It's red all the time. But I just have like really, really red undertone skin and I have since I was a wee small lad. All right, so then what I'll do is I'll take this Estee Lauder Take It Away Makeup Removing Lotion. Oh, I should take my rings off. Oopsie, forgot to do there. I'll take this makeup removing lotion and I'll just kind of use that to get the rest of whatever is still left on my face off. So I'll do like 2 pumps of that. This is really good for like mascara and stuff. If I'm using like waterproof mascara or some mascara that like really doesn't come off ever, then I have like a eye makeup remover that I'll take to my face after this to really get all of that off if for some reason it's not coming off, which I think it is right now. So alrighty, so look, one makeup wipe. You don't need more than one, to be honest with you. And people who use like 17 makeup wipes for one makeup look, I'm like, y'all got money. I don't have that kind of luxury. I have to use one every time and use these little corners that are still white to get everything off. So now that we've kind of done as much as we can, really, what I usually will do is I'll jump in the shower and I'll finish washing my face in there. I know you're not supposed to wash your face in the shower, but I feel like as long as I turn the water to cool, which I do to wash my face, I always turn the water to cold to wash my face. As long as you're doing it with cold water, you're fine. Everybody's like, don't wash your face in the shower, the water's too harsh. And I'm like, do you know how long it takes me to wash my face in the sink? I don't have that kind of time. So I usually just wash my face in the shower, and let me show you what I use. So on a normal day, when I'm not wearing makeup, I will go in with the Clean and Clear. Oh, it matches me. Wow, period. I'll go in with the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub, and I'll use this to kind of exfoliate, and then I'll do pan-oxyl, which has 10% benzoyl peroxide, which is what really keeps my face acne free. When I was growing up, when I was a teenager, I used to use xoxo, which is like the teenage version of Proactive, and it has benzoyl peroxide in it. So when they discontinued that, I was like, well, I need something that has benzoyl peroxide in it, and I found pan-oxyl, and she works great, but it's a cream, like foaming wash, so it doesn't exfoliate, so I have to use this to really exfoliate and get all my, look how big my pores are. I gotta get all those babies. When I have makeup on and when my face is like extra dirty, I'll use the Hydro Boost before any of that by Neutrogena. I'll just give like a little cleanser before I go in with this, and then I'll finish off with this. I know it's a lot of like product and everybody's gonna be like, Chris, you're like scrubbing your face off. I don't really care. I don't have acne. And if I don't use these products, I break out almost instantaneously. So judge all you want, but this is not an easy feat. So what I'm gonna do right now is jump in the shower, and then I will see you guys in a second for the rest of my nighttime routine. Hello, and welcome back to Chris's Ultimate Meditation Spa and Wellness Center. I'm Chris. I'll be your healing guide to— no, I'm just kidding. What's up, y'all? Oh, what's up, y'all? It's Chris here, and I'm back. Okay. Did you see me just flip my head back as if I had hair? So now what we're gonna do, as you saw, I had these on my eyes. Sometimes I'll just take these on my eyes, and if I've had like a rough, like obviously getting all the makeup off my eyes is like a rough thing for my eyes, I'll just cool them down a little bit. You can just put these back in the freezer. They're so cute. I got them at Marshall's. They were like $2. And they look like little avocados. Oh my god. So moving on with the skincare routine, what I'll do after I shower is I'll just like look in the mirror and see if I got all the eye makeup off, which it doesn't look like I did because I was wearing lash glue. Also, if you notice, what was lighting the scene I just acted out a minute ago was these LED lights that I just put in my bathroom, which is such a smart idea. If you like taking baths, if you like to relax, you can get like an LED strip light for like 20 bucks on Amazon, and like it'll change your life. It is so relaxing and so like sensory depriving. It's beautiful. So anyways, I'm taking this Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, and I'll take like a little Q-tip, and I'll just circle her around in there a little bit, dab off the excess, and then I'll just go around the perimeter of my eyes and get all the like rest of the makeup off that I didn't get the first time. Oh, a lot of times it's like excess eyelash glue, and what this does is kind of just like dissolve it and make it like soluble to be able to like get it off the lid. Looks like everything's off, which is fierce and fun. So then what I'll do is I'll take this Good Molecules. They sent this to me as a PR package. Thanks, Good Molecules. Y'all are the best. It is a niacinamide brightening toner. And what I'll do is I'll just take a little cotton round. Oh God, a little cotton round, and just put some toner on it and get all the excess makeup, because these are where my pores are the biggest, right here on this like bridge of my nose is where my pores are the biggest, where the makeup likes to linger. So what I'll do is I'll take this toner and I'll just do it around my nose and my cheekbones to make sure that all of the makeup got off of my face. The next thing that I'll do, depending on if I have shaved, usually I'll shave in the shower, depending on if it's a day where I've shaved, which today was not, what I'll do is I'll take, depending on how I feel or how sensitive my skin is, I'll take the Tatcha water cream. I try to steer clear of using this every single time because it's so expensive and I like to make it last. But if my skin isn't super sensitive that day, I'll just use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. Anything water-based is the best for my skin because my skin is so oily. Anything with like oils in it, like too much oil in it, just makes my skin extra oily. I like to just use water-based things because it makes my skin normal. And then after I'm done doing that, depending on if I have any little spots around my— oh, y'all really weren't gonna tell me that I had a little cotton piece on my lip? Ugh, shady. If I have any little spots around my face, little pimples, which I do, I have one right on my nose. I have another one right there that's kind of going away. That one's been there for a long time. Is that another one? Girl. So then what I'll do is I'll take some tea tree oil. This is almost out because I use it all the time, but this is Trader Joe's tea tree oil. You can get tea tree oil anywhere though. And I'll take some tea tree oil. By the way, if you have super dry skin, I would not recommend doing this treatment. I would find a different home remedy, but if you have oily skin like me, tea tree oil is supposed to dry out the zit. So if you just kind of keep it centralized on the zit, what it does is wow, this is really almost empty. It just dries it out and makes it go away, which is really nice and allows the process to move a little quicker. There's nothing in this. I don't know why I'm trying to get this out. Don't worry, you guys, I have another one. I always come prepared. This is from Whole Foods, I think. I got this while I was traveling because I ran out. It's an essential oil, technically, so you can just get it in the essential oil section, but I'll just take this little, there's like nothing on it. It just was enough to like coat the end of the Q-tip. And I'll take it and I'll just very lightly touch. Can't see. I'll just very lightly touch where the spots are. You don't want to like do too much because it really is super concentrated and it will dry it out. So you don't want to put it like everywhere, but only when you have like a, at least for me, only when I have like a really bad zit or like a really big red spot. Or even like sometimes if I cut myself while I'm shaving, it burns, but it's supposed to be like the natural antibiotic. So it's supposed to like heal essentially. Essential-y. Oh my god. Wow, comedy clubs hire me. So once that's done, that's usually all I do for my skin. I usually kind of let that breathe for a little bit before I come back and like get ready for bed for the rest of the night, before I like brush my teeth and do all of that. And then in the mornings, right when I wake up, I've started using this thing that I'll share with you. It is part of the new e.l.f. Game Up collection. First of all, this packaging is so cute, and it's this awakening eye cream. It's $10. It has little roller balls on the end of it, and it is supposed to like kind of like tighten up your under eyes, and it totally works. I would highly recommend that. She's really cute. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for my nighttime skincare makeup removing routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot. And if you guys want to see more like skincare routine videos, let me know, because I enjoy doing these little tutorials, and like the bathroom is a little bit of like a different setting from my usual space, and I don't know, this gives me like Vogue tutorial energy, and I enjoy that. So if you guys want to see more, let me know. I'll see you guys next Friday for a brand new video. Don't forget to wear a mask if you can, get vaccinated, and spread love like it's butter. I love you guys.